The 3 days athletic meet organized by the Office of the District Sports Officer, East Khasi Hills, concluded. 47 schools from East Khasi Hills participated in the event. Of the 47 schools that took part in the event, Army Public School, Loreto Convent, St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Garo Union School, H. Julius and St. Mary's backed home different prizes in different disciplines of the meet.
Sports is something which builds character. It's very, very important. Sometimes in event it's called as extracurricular. But I'm very against this word extracurricular. Sports is very much part of the curriculum. It's as equally important, I would say, as other things which are part of curriculum. So we should not call it extracurricular. It's co-curricular only. So sports, and in fact, we have requested schools to not just focus on this 1 or 2 days. Sometimes I see only 1 week events are organized in an academic year. So we have requested schools to organize it throughout the year.
And now for the weather report.